Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Check the phone model, purchase date, and a May or serial number so Flipkart can match plans quickly. Open the Flipkart app and sign in. Make sure your invoice or order ID is accessible because the policy links to that order. Once done, choose a payment method and keep your Google or Apple ID handy for activation steps. This saves time and prevents mismatches later, so you can proceed straight to selecting the correct protection plan. You now pick the plan, compare accidental, liquid damage, theft, and mechanical breakdown coverage and why each matters for your usage. Make sure to read deductibles, claim limits, and the duration. 1 year versus multi-year choices change price and renewal. Once you select a base plan, add screen-only or battery add-ons if you want lower deductibles on common failures. After choosing, proceed to checkout, enter accurate device details, and complete payment so Flipkart can issue policy documents immediately. You finish by activating the policy. Download and save the policy PDF and note the policy number. Follow any in-device activation instructions to link coverage. If you need to claim, submit photos of damage, the invoice, EMA proof, and a concise incident description. This speeds assessment. Make sure to follow timelines for filing claims. If a claim is denied, escalate by contacting Flipkart support, provide your policy evidence, and if necessary, request a supervisor review as a single troubleshooting step that resolves most disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.